So welcome back. So in this video, I will be teaching you about the MUL instruction. So the MUL instruction is basically multiplication. Okay, so it's a mnemonic for multiplication or multiply. So the destination operand is always the AX register. So you can think of it as AX is equal to AX times CX in a higher level programming language. Okay, so you multiply the value of AX to the value of CX, then store the result into AX again. Okay, so you need to remember that the OF and CF flags are set to 0 if the upper half of the result is 0, or otherwise they are set to 1. And the other flags are not changed. Okay? So let's have an example. So let's say we have move AX 5. So you have the value of AX to be equal to 5. Then we move CX 4. So the value of CX now is equal to 4. Okay? So if we call mul CX, this basically multiplies the value inside AX, which is now 5, and then CX, which will be our multiplier, which is 4. So you now have 5 times 4, then that will be equal to 20, and that would be stored again to AX. Okay? So in the end, you will have a value for AX to be equal to 20. Okay? So that is the MUL instruction, and I hope to see you again next time.